Hey guys, what's up? This is Abdul Wali from bestbloggerkp.com, and guys, from this video tutorial I will be teaching you about a complete PHP CMS based system and a website that we'll be creating only using PHP and MySQL. So this is the first video in which I will give you some information about the CMS content management system and the website that we will be creating only using PHP and MySQL. So this is this will be a very advanced project from my opinion. So here I am with a little bit description about the project we are going to create using PHP, and this is a complete CMS and website in PHP. So basically what we'll be going to do and what we'll be going to create during the tutorials, and this will be, I think, a series of tutorials. There may be many tutorials, like 20 tutorials, 25 or 30 tutorials. I don't know how many tutorials will be created during this project. So here are some of the objectives and the goals of this project that we are going to create. So we will be creating some applications in this project, which is the complete website project. So here are some points that I want to mention before starting this project. The first thing is that this will be a dynamic website for the users. Users will be feeling a dynamic experience on the website. Content will be dynamically changed by PHP. So the second thing is dynamic images and content on the sites. Dynamic images and content will be on the sites, and time to time they will be changed by the user themselves, and a custom search engine will be for that sites. People will be able to search using our own search engine on that website. So commenting system for that site will also be created in PHP and will be implemented. So this is also very important, because commenting system in PHP for a website is necessary if you want to create a powerful website in PHP. So the fifth objective of this project will be a contact form in PHP, which will be sending an email to the site owner or the site administrator, as well as an auto response will be made to the user who has sent the email from our contact form. So this will be also a great thing. Number 6, secure and advanced admin panel. We will create an admin panel for the administrator. So there are basically two things. One will be the website for the users. Users will be browsing our website or pages, and one will be the administrator panel for the admin, who will manage the pages, the posts, and the comments, and the many things that can be done within an admin panel. And the last step will be that after creating the website on our local server, we will upload that website to online server. So these all things will be the part of this tutorial and this project. So what we'll need during this project, we will need a database, and inside that database we will create some tables for storing the information, the data, the text data that we will be inserting into our database. So we will create one database, and also we'll create some tables inside that. For example, one table for posts, one for comments, and one for admin login. So this was very basic introduction for you, that we are going to create a website, complete website, and a complete CMS with an advanced admin panel in PHP. So you need to have XAMPP or WAMP server active in order to execute PHP codes, and I have already installed it, and it is active on my computer because we will create the project in the local server, and after that we will upload that to online web server. So in order to execute PHP codes or run MySQL on your local computer, you need to have installed this XAMPP or WAMP local server. So I have that installed already and after installation you will see the folder XAMPP inside your C partition, and inside XAMPP there is a folder htdocs, which is your root folder, And basically this project will be dedicated to Malala Yousafzai, who was a very brave student in Swat Valley, Pakistan, and I have dedicated this course to this young little brave lady. And this website or this project will be about this lady, about Malala Yousafzai, who was a very brave girl and was attacked by militants in Swat Valley of Pakistan. So this is a very interesting girl. In this project I will dedicate this project to this little princess, and we will create the website for Malala as well. Everything will be about Malala on this dynamic website. So we need to create a folder inside this root directory htdocs, and that folder will be named as Malala. So inside Malala folder we will be putting, or will be inserting all of our files. We will be creating all of our files or pages and folders and everything. That folder Malala will hold our entire project. So let's create a folder here. Just simply I click the new folder and I named it this folder Malala. That's it. Inside this Malala folder everything will be saved. For example, pages, for example, images, for example, folders, for example, includes, whatsoever. So Malala folder has been created. Now my browser is also open, and I will open Notepad++, where we can write PHP and HTML codes together. So you also need to have Notepad, Notepad++, or Dreamer, or whatsoever editor you want to use, you can use, but I will use Notepad++ during this project. So this project will be dedicated to Malala Yousafzai, and this is, you can see, this is the Notepad++ file open. My browser is also open, and I have given you introduction as well. But from next tutorial we will start creating files for this project. So you have to stay tuned with me till last tutorial, and I hope you will enjoy and you will learn a lot from this project. That's my promise with you, and stay tuned. Tata.